A project that provides annual cash flows of $17,300 for 9 years costs $78,000 today. Is this a good project if the required return is 8%? What if it's 20%? At what discount rate would you be indifferent between accepting the project and rejecting it? So the cash flow looks like an initial payment of $78,000, and then we have 9 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Every year, it's going to pay 17.3. Thousand, that is. So we need to enter this into our calculator. We've got cash flow, and then we're going to go to second, clear work to set everything to 0. Our initial outflow, or our first cash flow, is 78,000 negative. Our second amount is all the same, it's all 17,300. And our frequency, which is F, is 9 times. So there's no changes. We don't need, this one's not overly complex. Enter. So now our cash flow is set. Our initial outflow, 9 at 17,300. And if we go to NPV, we can enter in our required rate of return, which is 8. And we can compute which equals to, so at 8%, our NPV is $30,071.16, which we would accept because it's higher than 0. At 20%, if we change our interest to 20, enter, and compute our NPV, we get minus $8,264.27. And if it's less than 0, then it doesn't meet our required rate of return. And then the question is, what point would we not care whether we accept it or not? Or when we accept it or we wouldn't accept? That's what's called the internal rate of return of your cash flow. So you can go IRR and compute, and we are indifferent at your internal rate of return of 16.62%. So at this stage, if this was our required rate of return, we wouldn't accept or reject, we wouldn't care either way. Which makes sense because at 8%, we had a large amount. At 20%, we didn't. So somewhere closer to the 20%, 16.62 is our internal rate of return.